Thanks for watching, guys. We wanted to give you guys 4 quick tips before calling in for a service call. These are the top issues that we notice every summer. By the way, try this at your own risk. Make sure whatever you're doing, you're working in a safe manner and safe capacity. So step number 1, if your filter is older than 2 months, go ahead and put a new one in. Chances are that it's dirty and blocking airflow. Step number 2, you want to check for freeze up on your evaporator coil and on the outdoor unit. And that's going to be here at this larger line, this copper line. And then also on your outdoor unit, that's going to be on the same large line. If you notice ice on here, that's indicative of a larger problem. Certainly helpful to know though when you're calling in. Step number 3 is to go ahead and put new batteries in your thermostat. If you pull it off the wall, some AAA or AA batteries, make sure that that display is not blank, and then go ahead and make sure that it is set to cooling and drop that temperature down to get a call for cooling going on. And step number 4, the last step, is this condensate line. You'll notice this on the outside of your home, usually located next to the air conditioner. You want to make sure that's free and clear of debris, and if it isn't, go ahead and clean it out because it can back up. And there's a lot of these systems have this float switch that will automatically turn the system off. So go ahead and make sure that that is free and clear. Thanks for watching. By the way, we charge $85 per service call. There's never any after-hour fee. So when you do call in, make sure that you mention that you watch this video. That way we can get you the front of the line service. Thanks, guys.